How to apply Grabpay card. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to apply Grabpay card. First, open your Grab application on your mobile device. Then tap on Finance at the bottom center of your screen. Next, tap on Let's Go to start the application process. Enter your name as required to proceed. Then go back to the main finance page and tap on Add a card to begin the process. Next, return to the finance section and explore other financial services available with Grabpay later. Then, check Finance Settings to confirm all settings are properly configured. Finally, check your Grabpay wallet to confirm the status of your new Grabpay card. With these steps completed, your Grabpay card should be ready to use soon. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.